How to log in into MyFordBenefits account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can log in into MyFordBenefits account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a browser in your device, and in the search bar all you have to type in myfordbenefits.com, then press enter in your keyboard. Then you will directly land on your login page. Wait for a while, and after you get into their login page, navigate to your left hand side. There you will see this login prompt. So first of all, you have to enter your MyFordBenefits user ID that you have used while creating your account. Here type in your ID. If you want to log in using your Allite mobile, you can do that as well. But if you don't have it, you can simply log in with the ID. After that, enter your MyFordBenefits password and make sure to type in your correct password. In case if you forgot your ID or password, there is a link right here that says forget user ID or password. Click on it, follow some instructions, and that's gonna help you recover your account. So once you're done typing in your ID and your password, all you have to do is click on login button. After that, you'll be logged into your MyFordBenefits account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.